What's up everybody, it's Life Learning, and welcome back to the channel. We're talking Amazon SageMaker. This breakdown will help you level up your AI game. We'll walk you through creating, training, and deploying machine learning models. Let's get right into it. First things first, you need an AWS account. If you don't have one already, head over to the AWS website and sign up. It's a pretty straightforward process. Once you're in, search for Amazon SageMaker in the AWS Management Console. SageMaker provides a unified environment to build, train, and deploy your models. Think of it as your AI workshop in the cloud. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's make sure you're comfortable navigating the SageMaker dashboard. This is your command center for AI on AWS. Data is the lifeblood of any AI project. Ensure your data is clean before training a model. SageMaker handles formats like CSV and JSON, store data in Amazon S3 or import from Amazon RDS. A solid data preparation workflow saves headaches. Let's talk about SageMaker notebook instances. These are your coding playgrounds. Write and execute code for your AI projects here. Choose an instance type based on computing power. You'll see a Jupyter Notebook interface. Start coding in your preferred language, like Python. This is where things get really interesting. With your notebook instance ready, it's time to develop and train your machine learning models. Use built-in algorithms for tasks like image classification or natural language processing. SageMaker supports TensorFlow, PyTorch, and XGBoost for custom models. Experiment, fine-tune, and track your models within the same notebook instance. With your model code ready, it's time to train it on your data. This is where your model learns from the data you've prepared and improves its ability to make accurate predictions. SageMaker makes this process incredibly simple. You use SageMaker's training APIs to start training jobs. While your model is training, you can monitor its progress using Amazon CloudWatch. Once your model is trained and you're satisfied with its performance, it's time to deploy it. SageMaker simplifies deployment by letting you create an endpoint for your model. An endpoint is like a web service that other applications can call to get predictions from your model. SageMaker handles all the heavy lifting, including scaling your endpoint up or down based on demand. Deploying your model is a huge milestone, but the work doesn't stop there. You need to continuously monitor your model's performance and make adjustments as needed. You can use CloudWatch to track key metrics like latency, throughput, and error rates for your model endpoint. SageMaker also provides features for automatic model tuning. It's like having a personal trainer for your AI model. SageMaker doesn't exist in isolation. It's designed to integrate seamlessly with other AWS services, making it incredibly powerful. You can use AWS services like AWS Lambda for serverless computing, AWS Step Functions for workflow orchestration, and Amazon SQS for queuing up tasks. This means you can build complex end-to-end AI pipelines that handle everything from data ingestion and pre-processing to model training, deployment, and monitoring. Security is paramount when it comes to AI, and AWS takes it seriously. SageMaker integrates with AWS Identity and Access Management, or IAM, to control access to your resources. You can define granular permissions to determine who can access your notebooks, models, and endpoints. AWS also provides tools for auditing and logging, so you can track activity and ensure compliance with security best practices. AI can be resource-intensive, so it's important to understand the costs involved and how to manage them effectively. SageMaker offers a pay-as-you-go pricing model, so you only pay for the resources you use. There are costs associated with SageMaker instances, storage, and data transfer. SageMaker's managed infrastructure and automatic scaling features help you optimize costs by ensuring you're not over-provisioning resources. That's a wrap on our comprehensive guide to Amazon SageMaker. We've covered everything from setting up your AWS account to deploying and managing your machine learning models. Hopefully you now have a solid foundation to start building your own AI applications. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helps you get started with Amazon SageMaker. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials and guides. Until next time, keep learning, keep building, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI.